late start today, but welcome to day 8 of the Florida vlogs actually. So today we are off to Typhoon Lagoon, so I'm going to leave the vlog camera here and I'll pop in some GoPro footage from the water park now, and we'll see you later. Just walking on to Crush and Gusher, aren't we, Ali? You excited? He's going really fast. It's going to be good. It's boiling hot, so I think we picked the perfect day for a water park, really. You excited?
I'm very excited.
It was short, but like super duper fast. So I think we're going to do one of the storm slides, and then we'll probably stop and get a drink, and Alison needs to eat something.
Here we go.
Slides, my magic band fell off, so I was in a bit of a panic, as you can imagine. But the cast member was really good and they got someone to come in the water and find it. I did nearly have a meltdown, but it was all good.
When she says nearly, she had a meltdown.
No, I didn't. It wasn't that bad. So after that we went and got Ali some food. You had some quesadillas, didn't you? And then we just had some of the mini Joffrey's donuts, the like warm and sugary ones, and they were so good. And now we've just got a couple more slides to go on, haven't we?
Yeah.
Ali's having ring issues.
Dear diary, I think I might be about to die.
I think I'm out of my bed.
Oh god. I don't think I'm gonna make it.
So we had a really nice morning at the water park. I'm sure you've seen all of the footage. And now we're going to Animal Kingdom for our Flight of Passage Fast Pass. I've got my Kevin from Up t-shirt on from Magical Day, and we're gonna go get the bus. Aren't we, Alistair? So what's the plan, Ali Schmally?
We're gonna go to Flame Tree, and then we're gonna go do Flight of Passage.
We had Flame Tree, I think it was on Sunday when we first came here, and we absolutely loved it, so we decided to go again. We haven't really had a proper meal yet today, so I'm ready. Disappointed because Avatar's gone down, so our fast pass is off, which is really disappointing. And then also, just after that news happened, I went to eat the last bite of my macaroni cheese, a really nice cheesy bit, and it fell on the floor. And then this one just left for about 5 minutes. He's still going now, look at him. He can't even look because he knows. It's not good. Not good at all. So we spoke to guest experience and they've said all is good and we can still go on Flight of Passage, can't we? So we're just walking down now.
Yeah, and that is not golden. No one wants to see Hot Rod get eaten, do they?
No.
Someone said yes. I got a few yeses back over here too. What did I do to you?
Okay, you know what?
He just got here. He's not emotionally invested.
Everyone else said no. That makes me feel good. Makes me feel like I can do this. Let's
All
go,
right.
Titus.
I like that attitude there, Hot Rod. All right, guest to Pandora, I need your help to verify that Hot Rod can do this in 2 seconds or less. So I need to grab any device you have that keeps time, whether it's in your pocket, it's on your wrist. Take it out, put it into timer mode. I'm gonna say, on your mark, get set, you guys are all gonna yell out, go! What are you gonna yell out?
Go!
All right, Hot Rod, you ready?
Born ready.
Everybody ready? Yeah! Everybody ready?
Yeah!
All right, get ready to hit those timers. On your mark, get set, go! Hit those timers, 2 seconds or less.
There we go. Off the line at maximum speed. I don't know why I'm so surprised, because after all, if anyone can do this, Hot Rod can. Stop those clocks, everybody.
Hot Rod, I think some of these people timed you with a calendar.
Let's see how it did. Hey there, travelers. What's my time?
13 seconds.
13 seconds.
Someone said too long.
Wow, okay. Does anyone have anything faster than 13 seconds?
12 seconds.
12. Whoa, whoa, whoa,
What'd you
whoa.
get? 2 seconds. What's your
That's what
name?
I thought.
Deacon, come here.
Deacon, come over here.
Deacon, stand right here. Everybody, I didn't recognize Deacon. He's out of uniform. This is Deacon. He is the official timekeeper for the Pandora Rangers. Yes. And Deacon, I said that Hot Rod had to have a time of 2 seconds or less to pass. What did you say his time was? 2 seconds it is, according to Deacon. That means test number 5 is complete. That is golden, and Hot Rod has passed.
140 minutes. That's a good use of a fast pass, boyfriend. You excited, boyfriend? First time on Flight of Passage.
Okay, Dr. Stevens, they're ready.
Can everyone see me? Yeah. Great. Welcome to the Avatar program. Soon, you're gonna have a chance to undertake an amazing Na'vi rite of passage, flying on the back of this powerful animal called an Ikron, or as we call it, a Banshee. The way you're gonna do this is by being matched to something called an avatar. And I'm here to help you guys get ready on your number and move your arms a bit. Okay, start scan. You've all got them. But don't worry, they're very common around these parts. Let's start the decon.
Initiating GMR decon.
Stand still over your number, you're not gonna feel a thing. You're doing great. All done here.
They're all clear.
So we've had a bit of a funny afternoon. So first we thought the flight of passage fast pass was cancelled. Then it wasn't. Then as we were getting on flight of passage, I got a notification to say that we'd ordered more food from Flame Tree Barbecue. So we've just been waiting at guest experience to try and sort it out. It basically looks like they've duplicated our order and put it through twice, but that means they've taken 2 lots of quick service credits rather than 1. So basically the guest experience centre are sorting it out and they're going to call me when it's done. But they've given us an extra fast pass to make up for it, which is good because we were waiting for quite a long time. So we're about to go and do Dinosaur, which is our one that we had planned anyway. And then I think we're going to go and do Alice's favourite, Everest, because I think it's like a holiday weekend here. So it's like super busy, so the queues are all really long. So in a way, it's quite good that it's happened because we've got the extra fast pass. And also, Flight of Passage was really awesome. I do think that it doesn't quite live up to the hype, but it was still really, really good. I just think people talk about it a lot, so my expectations were very high. But yeah, I loved it. It was very immersive, and Alice loved it.
That's how dinosaurs have been presented to the public since the study of fossils began over 150 years ago. Today, that bare bones approach is about to become extinct. In a perfect blending of science and technology, the Dino Institute has created the Time Rover. An amazing
Trans-dimensional joyride, folks. I'm Dr. Seeker, your friendly controller, and a heck of a paleontologist, if I do say so myself. But let's not talk about me, let's talk about you, and how you can help me make history today with the Time Rover. It's like this. If I can bring you back from the Cretaceous period, it stands to reason that I can bring back a live dinosaur with you. And not just any dinosaur. Take a look at this guy. He's an iguanodon, and I'm certain that he is the key to understanding these magnificent creatures.
So we did our Dinosaur and Everest fast passes, and now we're on our way to meet Mickey and Minnie. But we don't really know where we're going, so this is going to be interesting. Yeah. We figured out where we're going. We think. Back to Discovery Island. Oh yeah, here it is. Adventurers Outpost. It's time to meet Mickey and Minnie.
You're ready for the safari. Very nice. All right. Alright, guys, come right here. Hi, guys. My next time. Come hang around on the street. How are y'all doing tonight? Ooh, good idea. All right, look at him first.
So the meet with Mickey and Minnie was really, really cute. We're just walking back through Pandora, hence the ears. And we're going to try and maybe have something small to eat from the Satuli canteen. Maybe just share something and then have a cheeseburger pod if we can get one as a snack credit maybe. So we'll see. But we're not going to mobile order this time, are we?
You don't want to.
After the debacle of earlier. So, yeah, let's see what we can get. We're eating in Satuli canteen and we got the shrimp Satuli bowl. And then we got the cheeseburger pods as well. We wanted to get it as a snack, but we can only get it as a meal, so we probably won't eat all of this, but it looks amazing. And then we got 2 Pandora and Sunrise. We get a treat before we go back to the room. Aww.
They don't have that donut, the big one. How are you meant to decide? There's so many.